Hi, I'm Mo, and welcome to moanderson.com. I'm passionate about coaching and mentorship, and there are 4 styles of mentors that I think everyone should experience. And mentors with these styles can actually form your own little personal board of directors. They are the coach, the connector, the cheerleader, and the challenger. Now, we've already talked about the coach, so today I want to tell you about the best connector I have ever known. Connectors are not only some of the most important mentors in your life, they are actually very rare. Why? Because most people are inward looking. However, a connector is always outward facing. They love helping people meet each other, and they have a wide and deep network of people who respect them. And connectors get things done by getting people together. The most effective connector that I've ever known is Jane Giroux Gamble. She was crowned Miss America in 1967, and as a former Miss America, her network is huge, and her natural gift is the instinct to connect the right people in just the right ways. And I've been blessed by her ability to open new doors of opportunity for me by connecting me with people I may never have met otherwise. For example, Jane introduced me to Terry Cornett. Her husband is running for governor in my home state. And not only have I found a new, amazing friend in Terry, I've also been provided the opportunity to play a more active role in an election that I really care about. Another example, it is my goal to expand my speaking engagements to a broader audience outside of the real estate industry. And Jane has facilitated several opportunities for me. Just a few weeks ago, I was the keynote speaker for the United Way Women's Leadership Society, founded by Judy Love. And Judy Love's family owns the truck stops bearing their name along the United States interstate highways. And I have long admired Judy from afar as a person of influence. She's philanthropic in our local community, and I was overjoyed when Jane introduced me to her. And through this new connection, I was invited to speak to the women of the United Way. It was an intriguing opportunity to impact a new audience of philanthropists, and has actually developed into a second speaking invitation for me. Now you can see how powerful the role of the connector is in creating growth through influence. Recently, Jane connected me to an opportunity to pay it forward to a local student. She introduced me to an impressive young opera singer at Oklahoma City University, and as a result, I'm sponsoring his coaching in classical music. Without a doubt, Jane's ability as a connector has broadened my own impact on my community and on the world. Now, who is the connector in your life? Have you filled that seat on your personal board of directors? How can you use the influence of your connector to actually pay it forward to others? Now remember, mentoring others will develop the next generation of leaders. And I challenge you to be a connector or to find a connector. Have a wonderful day. Connect, 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 and I'll see you soon. Bye.